Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, and that's how you can enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. If you want to quit this mode, you have two options. You can select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select the first option, reboot system now, and restart it. What am I going to do? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.